Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to HubSpot Marketing Hub step by step clearly. Once there, look for the pricing section in the main menu. Click on pricing to view the different plans available for HubSpot Marketing Hub. Scroll down to find the Marketing Hub offerings. Select the plan that best fits your business needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Get Started or Start Free Trial button. You will be prompted to create a HubSpot account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Click Create Account to proceed. Next, you'll be taken to a setup wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. You may need to enter additional details about your business. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to the HubSpot dashboard. From here, you will find an option to upgrade to the Marketing Hub if you initially signed up for a free account. Click on the Upgrade button to access the Marketing Hub features. Review the pricing details and features included in your selected plan. Confirm your subscription by entering your payment information. Submit the payment to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email outlining your subscription details. Now, you can start exploring and utilizing the features of HubSpot Marketing Hub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.